Hey guys, so today I'm going to be seeing what people trade me for um for food. So if you can't see here, I got a lot of food and we're gonna be trading people. Let's trade this girl Nikki, ABC for mom. Well, let's just trade you anyway. Do you want pies? She doesn't have to I'm going, so these are commons. Okay, I'm actually going to accept this trade. Yeah, yay, I got the legendary popcorn. I'm gonna search up pies, so I just have it in there. I have a lot of pies for trades. I'm gonna go ahead and trade this girl. I'm just gonna give her a bunch of free, stuff like, take a pie. Yeah, I gave her the pie. Hopefully she likes my pie. I'm gonna trade this girl. She's a dream pet Frost. I don't think I can do that for her. I'm just gonna give her a pie. There. I'm just gonna give her, a bunch of pies. She declines. It's fine. Let's see. Do you guys want to trade? Who's this? Cupcake. I'm gonna trade you. Hi. It's sad, isn't it? Oh, that's my sister! Hi. Let's see. Oh, she doesn't have to put in that. This is my little sister, guys. And she does not have to put this in for the trade, but I mean, okay. God. Okay. Now let's search up pizza. Yeah, we own a lot of pizza because I live in the pizza state. Oh, that's my sister in a different outfit. Let me give you Boo Boo pizza. Monkey. Guys, I'm going to give her this for the monkey. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, you're welcome. She's downstairs, so she can't really hear me, but burger. Oh, that's not how you spell. Cola. That's it. Oh. I know I gave it to you. Yeah, it was me. I got a monkey. Thank you so much. That, that is just, I love, her so much. I just gave her a monkey. I'm pretty sure she said it was her dream pet. Honestly, I don't really know. I gave it to her. I'm gonna go ahead and give her a backpack. And this is, by the way, all of this is for total freeness. She does not have to put anything. This girl does not have to put absolutely anything in here. I'm just giving her this stuff to be nice. Plus, this backpack was not in the game. I'm gonna go ahead and give her this, and a chicken leg, and then this, and then a sandwich. Yeah, I don't want people to put, like, pets in. I don't care, like, honestly, what trade goes in. I'm just trying to, like, give people free things today. Oh, I don't understand why people aren't putting anything in, but they're declining the trade. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna say so sweet. So sweet. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I'm gonna say thank you. Thank you. Oh, little things. Thank you. Okay, people are so nice in this game. I got a buffalo. Cute. Oh my god. Thank you. Oh, that's so nice. Oh my god! She gave me a toucan! OMG, thank you. Wait, oh no, it's not right. But thank you. Its name is Amazon. She said, no problem, and you can stay at my house. Thanks. Of course I'll be in your family. Oh my gosh. People are just so nice. Thank you so much to the person who gave me this. You're so caring. I'm gonna stay here for a bit. I'm gonna stay here for a bit. Oh, this is my friend. Okay, she can. What is she going to offer? I'm sorry, no. This is my friend IRL. I just don't really want that because I don't want to give away something that a fan graciously gave. Because I feel like that wouldn't be fair. Can I offer for the toucan? I'm going to say, put in good pet. Like, I don't really want to give it to her. I just want to see what she'll offer. Let's see. Offer for the toucan. I'm sorry. I'm going to say, I'm sorry, no. I'm sorry. No, thank you. Well, that's probably going to be it for the food trading in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed making it. And yeah, bye-bye.